Howdy, neighbors. I'm back. Okay. So, on my last video, I made a comment. Hey, you stay over here. About getting everything all done. And I did. The fan was working. It was working great. It was cranking out heat. Turned it off. Went to fire it up. And it wouldn't start. It just wouldn't heat up. And it kept, diesel kept coming out the bottom of the bus. So, I knew I was going to have to tear into it some more, but of course it was, almost dark, and my back can only handle so much, and then I just can't do anything else. And, let's see, what do we got here? Well, it's over 300. 320, something like that. So yeah, I just couldn't do anymore. So today, I finally got with the program, took the unit back out again, took it all apart again, checked, I used another igniter, plugged it in, fired the unit up for long enough to know, using my infrared heater or thermometer, that it was heating up. So I then shut her down, put everything back together, put it in the rig, hit the button, and wouldn't you know it, heat. And it sounds nice and quiet, so it's doing everything it's supposed to. So knock on wood that, part 2 of the saga of the 3-into-1 Chinese diesel heater worked. So we'll see tonight when I actually turn the dang thing on. Oh yeah, Christmas lights. These are on 24/7 right now. I got another string on the other side. I'll show that to you later. They were last year's too, and I had them out here on this side, and I had the sparkly ones on the other side. The other ones are, like red, yellow, blue, little mini ones like those are. Well, not quite as many as these are, but found a good chunk of wood to chew on, Munchkin. She finds various pieces of wood, various sticks, and I think she uses them like toothpicks. Anyway, that's what I did today. Other than I weeded my front yard. I did a pretty good job, don't you think? Got rid of all them weeds. Later. Oh, and I will let you know if it works through the night.